You remember that feeling, right? Standing in line, refreshing that web page at midnight, genuinely excited for a new phone. Not because an ad told you to be, but because that brand had earned it. They'd delivered before. You trusted them. That trust didn't just disappear overnight. It was slowly, quietly, and very deliberately spent. Let's talk about what's actually happening in 2026. Because 5 of the biggest names in smartphones are following the exact same playbook, and most people haven't connected the dots yet. It all starts with AI. Not AI as a tool, but AI as a subscription. You push your new phone hard with gaming or video editing, and within minutes it gets hot and the processor quietly slows down. Those amazing benchmark scores from January look a lot worse by summer on the same device with no explanation. Reviewers see it, engineers know it, but the marketing never mentions it. The specs were designed to impress you at purchase, not reflect your daily reality 6 months later. And try to repair it. A cracked screen, a dying battery, a worn-out charging port. You'll find glued-down components, proprietary screws, and a warranty void sticker right where a technician would need to work. The official repair quote is often more than the phone is even worth. Third-party parts are either unavailable or deliberately disabled by a software update. You don't own your phone. You've just licensed it. Look at the spec sheets side by side, the 2024 Flagship next to the 2026 Flagship. Same camera sensor, same amount of RAM, same screen technology. It was just a new model name, new marketing jargon, and a $200 price hike. And what about those promises of 7 years of support? In practice, that means major updates slow down, security patches become inconsistent, and the whole experience degrades on a timeline that conveniently lines up with the next product launch. It isn't an accident, it's by design. The data shows it. Consumer trust in these brands has been dropping since 2021. The independent and refurbished phone markets are growing. People are responding logically to a pattern they've recognized. Brand loyalty wasn't killed. It was just treated like a resource that never needed to be refilled. The phones got more expensive, repairs got harder. AI became a paywall, and the relationship flipped from partnership to extraction. That's why you're watching this. So here's the only question that matters now. Which brand lost you first? Drop your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching.